What's up, guys? Cameron Fous here with Fousalerts.com. Today is August 3rd, 2:10 p.m. Market's closed for about an hour now, but I was literally done trading within about the first 5 minutes of the market open. PTX, this was a huge Fous4 revival pattern that we hit near perfectly on this trade. We actually initially got in this stock at 62 cents. I had my initial 20,000 shares at 62 cents. This broke a perfect F1 breakout pattern. And what's awesome about this is this actually triggered at 62 cents on our brand new AlphaScans beta system that we are working on right now. So I can't wait to get that software out for you guys to actually look and see what this thing can do with our new charting and scanning software. So it literally triggered this stock at 62 cents, got the alert in the AlphaScans beta program, and that's how I found this stock. So I really can't wait to see you guys, your reaction to what AlphaScans can do, in addition to seeing it work with the Fous4 patterns and strategy picture perfectly like it did here on PTX. I literally sold within the first 5 minutes. If we zoom in here on PTX opening price, we did get just a quick little spike into the open, and I sold between 90 cents to 95 cents here on PTX. I tried to go again here for a secondary F1 breakout, hoping to see a dollar roll. I got in at 94.5, and then this had that quick spike up. It came back down. I resold at 94.5 for break even, but I locked in a $9,000 profit on this stock within 2 days after seeing a perfect breakout here of the revival. And we got out right where we wanted to. When I was talking about this on Fous TV the other day, I said, the dollar is going to be our profit target. That's right where we have the resistance and gap fill on the daily chart, in addition to the dollar being a huge, support and resistance area. After seeing the stock rip over 50%, there's obviously going to be an area where we see some profit takers, and that's exactly where I wanted to take it. I tried to get a dollar roll here for a secondary run to see if we had some more momentum. Unfortunately, it did not work out, but I sold for break even, and you just got to walk away with those trades. In addition to that, look what happened here later in the session. This thing tried to break out over a dollar a few times, and then something occurred here. I'm not exactly sure. I wasn't around for the market close. As I always say, I only trade the market opens for about 30 minutes to a little over an hour a day, and then I go enjoy the rest of my day, so I'm not sitting around doing nothing. If you look at the intraday chart here, nothing happened. It's just kind of, meandered around, faked a bunch of people out at a dollar per share that kept trying to buy this dollar roll, but really, there wasn't really anything going on throughout the entire session. So if you're sitting around trying to, pick little pieces out of this thing throughout the session, you're probably going to end up with a bunch of little losses. I don't like doing that. I only like trying to take advantage of those first opportune moments in the open. But again, I don't know what happened here. I know a lot of people probably got caught in this massive sell-off. This had a 1.6 million share sell-off within 1 minute here. So something happened here. Maybe some insiders dumped. There might have been some rumors. There might have been a PR. I haven't dug into what exactly happened here, but some people definitely got screwed. I'm glad that I only traded the open, locked in my gains there for $9,000 profit on PTX. Basically got out right where we wanted to get out, right at that dollar mark where I said was our profit target. So super pumped about PTX, even more pumped that our AlphaScan scanner picked us up at 62 cents 3 days ago, where I bought in. So anyways, guys, this was a near perfect Fous4 pattern that I teach in the Fous4 and Fous4 Part 2 15-hour training course. Go check it out, and really pumped about this trade.
They don't even know that I'm hurting. Life's not